Let's cover tree BFS. And recognition here is one word: level. Level order, traversal, zigzag levels, right side view, level averages, anything asking about the tree layer by layer. DFS dives deep, BFS sweeps wide, and the entire family runs on one queue plus one small trick, the size snapshot, that keeps levels separate. Learn the loop once, and every variant is a two-line tweak. Let's build it. Definition first. Breadth first search visits a tree level by level, powered by a queue. Process a node, and queue its children, repeat. Any problem phrase per level, level order, zigzag, right side view, or asking for the nearest or shallowest anything, is BFS. Here's the template. A queue starts with a root. While it isn't empty, snapshot the queue's size. That number is exactly how many nodes live on the current level. Loop that many times, polling a node, processing it, and adding its children. The snapshot is the whole trick. Children get added to the queue during the loop, but because you froze the count first, they wait their turn as the next level. Without the snapshot, you get one long stream with no level boundaries. With it, you process the tree level by clean level. Now watch every variant collapse into a tweak. Level order. Collect each level into a list. Zigzag. A Boolean flips per level. Reverse alternate levels or append to a deque from opposite ends. Right side view. Keep just the last node of each level's loop. That's what you'd see from the right. Averages or maxes per level. Aggregate inside the size loop. And minimum depth shows BFS's special power. The first leaf you encounter is the shallowest. You stop immediately, while DFS must explore everything to be sure. Levels plus early exit. That's why BF South earns its place. When you pick which, BFS thinks in levels. Anything phrase per level, and shortest or nearest questions in unweighted structures. Because the first time BFS reaches something, it got there by shortest route. DFS thinks in paths and subtrees. Bottom-up aggregation, the previous video. In the memory note, interviewers like BFS holds an entire level in the queue, which in a bushy tree can be half the nodes, while DFS holds a root to leaf path, the tree's height. Wide tree, DFS is lighter. Deep skinny tree, BFS is. One sentence, easy points. In a preview of the graphs video, this exact loop runs on grids and graphs, with one addition, a visited set, since unlike trees, they have cycles. The showcase is multi-source BFS, rotten oranges. Seed the queue with every rotten orange at once, and each level of the sweep is 1 minute of rot spreading. Levels equal time. Word ladder, shortest transformation sequence. Same story. Each level is one edit step. When a problem says shortest, fewest steps, or spreads outward, this queue is already the answer. Now watch 4 classic problems on one tree. Root 4, children 2 and 7, leaves 1, 3, 6, 9. Right side view. Keep the last node polled each level for 7, 9. Zigzag. The queue order is sacred, so you flip the output list on odd levels, giving 4, then 7, 2. Then 1, 3, 6, 9. Level averages. Sum inside the size loop and divide by the size. 4 for 0.5 for 0.75. Connect next right. Keep a previous pointer inside the loop and link each node to the next, ending each level at null. Same loop every time. You just change the one line you run while the level sits at the front. Here's the trade-off interviewers love. Both BFS and DFS visit every node once, so both are O of n time. The difference is peak memory. BFS holds an entire level in its queue. That's the width, up to half the nodes on a full tree's bottom row. DFS holds just one root to node path on its stack. That's the height. So on a wide bushy tree, DFS is lighter. On a deep skinny tree, BFS is lighter. But if the question needs level info or the nearest thing, you pick BFS regardless. Say this out loud and you sound senior. And the same loop leaves the tree. Rotting oranges, a 3 by 3 grid, 2 rotten, 1's fresh, 0's are walls. Seed the queue with every rotten cell. That's multi-source. Minute 1. The rot at 0, spreads to its neighbors. Minute 2, 3, 4. Each snapshot loop is 1 more minute, and each cell's label is the minute it rots, which is its shortest distance from start. The one new rule versus trees. Mark a cell the moment you offer it. That's your visited set, or it re-enters from every neighbor. First visit equals shortest in an unweighted world, and the level counter is the distance. That's BFS on any graph. The senior follow-up. Do level linking with no queue in constant extra space. The trick is that once a level is linked by next pointers, that level is a linked list, so you can walk it with a single pointer instead of a queue. As you walk the current level left to right, you build the next level's chain using a throwaway dummy node and a tail pointer. For each parent, tail.next equals its child. Take a general tree. 1 with children 2 and 3, 2 with 4 and 5, 3 with only a right child 7. Walking level 1 builds 4, 5, 7, because node 3 contributes only 7. When a level runs out, the next level's head is just dummy.next, so you descend and repeat. 3 pointers, no queue, and unlike the perfect tree version, this handles trees with missing children. And the bridge from BFS to Dijkstra, 01 BFS. Plain BFS finds shortest paths only because every step costs the same one, so the queue is auto-sorted by distance. When edges cost 0 or 1, there are just 2 cases. A 0-cost edge does not increase distance, so that neighbor belongs with the current frontier, push it to the front. A 1-cost edge is 1 layer out, push it to the back. This keeps the deke monotone. It only ever holds 2 distances, D at the front and D plus 1 at the back, so popping the front always gives the smallest distance. That is exactly Dijkstra's guarantee, but with a deke instead of a heap, because there are only 2 possible increments. Trace it. S to a cost 1, but S to B to C to T is all zeros, so T is reached at distance 0 and served before A, which was found earlier at distance 1. First pop of a node is final, and it runs in V plus E. Snapshot size at the start of each level. Process exactly that many. Everything they enqueue is, by construction, the next level. Now the mistakes to avoid, straight from the field. Beginner no size snapshot. Levels blur together. Linked list as queue misuse. Intermediate null, children enqueued, NP or phantom levels, using BFS for path problems. Advanced memory, BFS holds a whole level, O width, up to n/2. DFS holds a path, O height. Say the trade-off. Interview questions on this, rapid fire. Where does a level end? Snapshot queue size, process exactly that many. Right side view, last node of each level. Min depth, why BFS? First leaf reached, is provably shallowest. Space complexity? Oh, max width. Worst n/2 for a full bottom level. And what most tutorials never tell you. Why the snapshot works. The queue is always exactly rest of current level. Next level so far. The count separates the 2 segments. Tree BFS equals graph BFS minus the visited set. Trees have no cycles. Add visited and the same code walks graphs. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, 1 piece at a time. The pattern's promise. 1 loop covers every per level question, and the shortest path first guarantee carries straight into graph BFS, CH16. Box 3 is the memory trade-off graders love as a follow-up. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in 1 glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, 1 piece at a time. Watch the queue itself. At any instant, it holds rest of the current level, next level so far, 2 segments in that order. The size snapshot is the invisible divider between them. That single invariant is the whole chapter. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Level averages per level maximum, LC 515, and connect next pointers, LC 116, are the same loop with a different line inside the 4. Learn the loop once. The family is free. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Here's how it flows on screen. Rotting oranges, LC 994, a grid is a graph. Each cell is a node. Its 4 neighbors are the edges. Next, multi-source start. Offer all initially rotten oranges before the loop. The queue can start with many roots. Next, one size-snapshot loop equals 1 minute of rot spreading. The level counter literally becomes the answer. Next, marking a cell rotten at offer time equals the visited set. Trees never needed one. No cycles. Grids and graphs do. Add visited, and this exact loop walks any graph, CH16. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Now, the part candidates ask for most, what real companies actually probe on this topic, based on public interview reports, not official statements. Meta, reported binary tree right side view 199, is one of the most frequently reported questions. The I equals size minus 1 observation is the graded instant. Amazon, reported rotting oranges 994, is a staple. Multi-source seeding, offer time marking, and the -1 case are all reportedly probed. Level order 102 as the warm-up. Google, reported zigzag 103, and min-depth with the why is DFS worse here. Follow-up. Seniors get the memory-bound question, width versus height. Microsoft, reported level averages 637, and connect next right pointers 116. The constant space follow-up on 116 separate levels. Here is how the same answer is graded, from weak to excellent, so you know exactly what an interviewer is listening for. Question, return the level order traversal as a list of lists. Why asked, the template check. Weak, DFS with a depth parameter in index lists. Works, but dodges the queue. Say why it's equivalent if you use it. Good, queue plus size snapshot. Clean per level lists. Excellent. Explains the 2-segment queue invariant, rest of this level, then next level. The count is the divider. And states ON, time O, with space. Red flag. While queue.size is empty, with size red inside the loop. Question, minimum depth of a binary tree. Weak, recursive min, left, right, +1 with a one-child bug. A null child reports 0 and lies. Good. DFS with a one-child fix, or BFS. Excellent. BFS with early return, plus the argument. First leaf polled is provably shallowest, and on a deep left shallow right tree BFS touches a handful of nodes where DFS walks millions. Impress. This early exit guarantee is exactly why word ladder and rotting oranges are BFS. Question, how many minutes until all oranges rot? Weak. Repeated full grid scans per minute, OM, and minutes. Good. BFS from all rotten cells, level equals minute. Excellent. Multi-source seeding named. Market offer justified. No double in queue. Fresh counter for the -1 verdict, OM, and total. Red flag. Marking at poll time. Your cheat sheet. Q plus size snapshot loop equals every level problem. Nearest / level phrasing to BFS. Path / subtree to DFS. BFS memory equals width. DFS memory equals height. And a memory trick. Count them before you serve them. The size snapshot. Quick check. Inside the queue. How do you know where one level ends? Snapshot the queue size at the start of the level and process exactly that many nodes. Everything they in queue is, by construction, the next level. Quick favor. If this is useful, subscribe and turn on the bell. New videos and daily updates. Every 1 0 to deep. Now the recap. Let's lock it in. The word level means BFS with a Q. Snapshot the queue size before the inner loop. That's exactly one level, and children wait their turn. Zigzag, right side view, and level averages are two line tweaks of the same loop. Minimum depth exploits BFS's early exit. The first leaf is the answer. Memory-wise, BFS holds a level, DFS holds a path. Know which is bigger for your tree. And the same loop plus a visited set conquers grids and graphs, with multi-source BFS turning levels into time steps. That's tree BFS. And that's tree BFS. If you want the zigzag implementations, vertical order traversal, and multi-source drills, it's all in a full write-up in the Code of Aura library. Like, subscribe, and keep building.